Hi, hello, new tutorial. This is the easiest one ever, and you would not believe how many takes this has taken me. Please, God, let me get it this time. You liked this top, so I'm going to show you how to make it in like literally 2 cuts. Okay, first, start with a piece of fabric. Mine was 36 inches by 36 inches. You can use any size. You're going to take it, you're going to fold it in half, cute sides kissing. Then you need to know your pit to pit measurement and where you would like your armhole to start. For me, it's 18 pit to pit and probably like 7 inches from here to here. I can't remember, and it doesn't matter right now. You've got this folded in half. This will be your front. This will be your back. My nails are disgusting because I washed my hair today. It stains them. It happens. Once you know front, back, you're going to take it and fold it in half one more time so it's in quarters. This is your folded side. Now, like I said, I need 18 inches pit to pit. So I'm going to cut 9 inches from the center here. I should include room for seam allowance. And I'm going to cut up to 9 inches from the top. Boop, 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 boop. If you would like to see that more visually, too bad, because I don't have it on any of these. Okay, so just, if you unfolded it, you would see the center of your body, a sleeve, and a sleeve. But we're not unfolding it yet, because we're also going to go ahead and cut a neck hole. The simplest one is to come down about 1 inch or 2 from the top of that fold, and then cut over whatever feels good to you. Maybe 5 inches this way, and that'll give you 10 inches total. Stick with me. Okay, and then you unfold it. Now, do you kind of see the shirt taking shape? If this was real fabric, these would be they would fall down and fit the curve of your shoulder. But this is paper, so it doesn't. After you do that, you're going over to your sewing machine and you're going to zoop that baby. Let me grab this guy. Okay, so you've got this. You're at your sewing machine and you're doing straight line. Go zzz, turn it, zzz. That's it over there. And then over here, zoop, zoop, super quick. For your collar, you can finish it a million different ways. I really like bias tape for these, but you can also just double fold it and do it that way. After it's all stitched up, just that line in the neck, baby girl. You flip it right side out and that's your shirt. It's fucking done. You can also cut this very short if it's too long. You could cut the sleeves like this if you don't like the extra bulk. You could cut them like this and make it a short sleeve. You could turn it into a tank top. You should probably not do that. Okay, now it's a tank top. Like, anything could happen. Oh, you want the neck to be like more plunging? Okay, cut it down. Oh, you want it to be a vest now? Okay. Cut it up all the way. Fold it over. Hem that down, sew on some buttons. Fold this over. Zoop it down. Make some buttonholes. Now it's a vest. You can do literally anything with this. And it's like 2 cuts. Like 2 cuts. It's so easy. Go have fun. Show me what you make. I love you. Have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.